Discover the coolest Amazon cart gadgets that blend smart design with everyday practicality. From time-saving tools to sleek organizers, these picks make driving easier, safer, and a lot more fun. All the product links are in the video description. Experience unmatched drawing power with the Gadget Fan Max. This cordless turbo blower delivers up to 205 mph wind speed and 31.75 ounces of thrust for rapid, streak-free car drying. Its stepless speed control allows total precision for any task, from auto detailing to patio and lawn care. Compact, rechargeable, and built for pros and enthusiasts alike, enjoy powerful performance and effortless mobility wherever you clean. Cargo Smart LED Hybrid S-Curve Ramp. Load and unload with total confidence using this heavy-duty aluminum ramp. Each ramp supports up to 1,500 pounds per pair and measures 12 inches wide by 90 inches long for maximum stability. The patented S-curve design ensures smooth, safe loading for ATVs, motorcycles, and loan equipment. Built-in LED lights provide visibility day or night for added safety. A durable, foldable must-have for your garage or trailer setup. Heavy-duty 68-piece tire repair kit. Be ready for any roadside emergency with this universal 68-piece tire plug kit. Designed for cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, RVs, and more, it includes all the tools needed to repair punctures and flats quickly. The high-strength T-handles and plugs ensure long-lasting, airtight results. Compact and easy to store, it's the ultimate safety companion for every driver. Fix and roll with confidence anytime, anywhere. VEVOR 3-ton electric car jack. Lift your vehicle effortlessly with the VEVOR 12-volt electric scissor jack. Engineered to handle up to 3 tons, 6,600 pounds, it comes with dual saddles and a remote control for fast, hands-free operation. Perfect for sedans, SUVs, and trucks, this portable jack makes tire changes simple and safe. Compact, sturdy, and reliable. Your essential roadside repair partner. Digital torque wrench set. Achieve perfect torque every time with this high-precision digital torque wrench, offering plus or minus 1% accuracy across a 1.1 to 22.2 foot-pound range. It features buzzer and LED alerts for precise control, includes bits and sockets for bikes, motors, or gunsmithing projects. The durable, ergonomic design ensures comfort and accuracy in every turn, a must-have for mechanics and precision enthusiasts. ShadeMax RGB LED Seat Gap Organizer. Elevate your interior with this illuminated seat gap organizer. Features RGB color-changing LED lighting, dual USB charging ports, and built-in cup holders for ultimate convenience. Keeps your essentials secure while adding a sleek, modern glow to your cabin. Easy to install and made from durable materials for lasting style. Stay organized and drive in color. Oxeam 8-gang RGB switch panel. Control all your lights and accessories with the Oxeam RA80 multifunction switch panel, featuring 8 customizable buttons, RGB dimmable lighting, and momentary pulse control. It's perfect for cars, boats, and RVs. Built to IP65 waterproof standards for rugged reliability. Simple installation, smart design, and a 2-year warranty make it the ultimate control center for your ride. Universal Headrest Tablet Holder Mount. Keep passengers entertained with this adjustable headrest tablet holder. Compatible with iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab, Kindle Fire, Switch OLED, and all 4.7 to 16.1-inch devices. It offers a secure, stable fit for every trip. The strong clamp and flexible arm ensure perfect viewing angles. Ideal for road trips, family drives, and on-the-go streaming. Transform your backseat into a mobile entertainment hub. Osser Backseat Trunk Organizer. Keep your cargo space clean and efficient with the Osser Hanging Trunk Organizer. Designed with 6 large storage pockets and 3 adjustable straps, it fits securely across your back seat or trunk. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Crafted from durable, waterproof materials to handle groceries, tools, or travel gear with ease. A smart solution for a tidy, organized vehicle interior. Portable jump pack with air compressor. Power up your vehicle and inflate tires on the go with this versatile jump starter and air compressor combo. Delivers 65 watts fast charging, 180 psi pressure, and an accurate digital gauge for effortless inflation. Built-in LED lighting and auto shutoff enhance safety and convenience. Compact and cordless, it's your all-in-one emergency essential for cars and bikes. eSamCore Cup Holder Tablet Mount. Enjoy hands-free convenience with the eSamCore Adjustable Cup Holder Mount. Featuring 15 inches of height adjustment and 360 degrees rotation, it delivers perfect viewing from any angle. The secure clamp fits tablets and phones from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, making it ideal for iPads, Galaxy Tabs, and iPhones. Designed for stability on every road, sleek, functional, and built for travel comfort. Live Wallonie Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Inflate anytime, anywhere with this cordless 160 psi air pump compatible with DeWalt 20-volt max batteries. Equipped with a large LCD digital pressure gauge for accurate readings and ease of use. Perfect for cars, bikes, and sports equipment. Compact, lightweight, and built for reliability. Ideal for quick inflation wherever you go.
2-in-1 car vacuum cleaner and blower. Clean smarter with this high-performance handheld vacuum and blower. Generates 18,500 PA suction power to tackle dirt, crumbs, and pet hair in seconds. Works both corded and cordless with fast USB-C recharging for total flexibility. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for cars, homes, and offices alike. Keep every surface spotless with ease. Start Pro Portable Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Get quick, accurate inflation with the Start Pro 150 psi cordless air pump. Dual power supply ensures performance wherever you are, while the LED display and auto shutoff prevent overinflation. Includes a built-in flashlight for nighttime use. Compact and efficient, ideal for cars, bikes, and sports gear. GVE Life Rotary Buffer Polisher. Achieve a flawless shine with this 1600W rotary car buffer and polisher. Features 7 variable speeds, 1000 to 3500 RPM, for total control over polishing, waxing, or sanding. Includes 6-inch and 7-inch pads with a detachable handle for comfort and precision. Durable, versatile, and built to deliver professional-grade results every time. FLY Kid 12-volt portable tire inflator. Stay prepared on the road with this compact 12-volt air compressor. Delivers up to 150 psi with a digital LCD gauge for accurate pressure readings. Includes an emergency LED light for low visibility use. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, and bikes. Reliable inflation and a lightweight, travel-ready design. Decent Car Windshield Cleaning Tool. Keep your windshield spotless with the Decent Extendable Glass Cleaner. Includes 5 washable and reusable microfiber pads that remove dirt, smudges, and fog with ease. The ergonomic extendable handle reaches every corner for a streak-free finish. Perfect for auto glass, mirrors, and windows. Clean safely and effortlessly inside and out. Adjustable car headrest pillow with memory foam. Travel comfortably with this adjustable 360-degree rotating car headrest. Features soft memory foam cushions and breathable ice silk fabric for cooling comfort on long drives. Comes with a built-in hook and bonus eye mask for extra convenience. Designed to support your neck and head, reducing fatigue for both kids and adults. Smart design meets ultimate relaxation. FLRICH Leather Between Seat Organizer. Add elegance and function to your interior with this premium leather car organizer. Fits seamlessly between seats to hold drinks, phones, and essentials with its waterproof cup holder and mesh storage pocket. Keeps your cabin neat and clutter-free while adding a refined touch. Perfect for drivers who appreciate both style and practicality. OBD 2-gauge display P21 HUD. Drive smarter with the P21 heads-up display. Projects speed, slope, and multiple diagnostic readings directly onto your windshield for instant awareness. Designed for vehicles built after 2009, it offers plug-and-play convenience with crystal-clear visibility. Compact, modern, and built for safer, more informed driving every day. Cool Skateboards Bear Dashboard Ornament. Bring fun and personality to your ride with the Cool Skateboards Bear Ornament. This playful figure glides smoothly on your dashboard, adding a unique touch of humor and charm. Made from durable materials that stay secure while driving. A small accent that makes a big statement, perfect for car enthusiasts with style. Hulkman Alpha 85 Jump Starter. Start your vehicle confidently with this 2000A Smart Jump Starter. Built-in 3.3-inch display shows real-time battery status and charge levels. Functions as a 65-watt USB-C power bank for laptops and devices. Designed for engines up to 8.5 liters gas or 6.0 liters diesel. Rugged and reliable, your ultimate road rescue companion. Halo Bolt Air Plus Jump Starter. Power up your car, SUV, or truck with this all-in-one emergency unit. Features a built-in 100 psi air compressor and 55.5-watt H power bank. Includes bright floodlight and USB ports for charging on the go. TSA approved and compact for safe travel and storage. A stylish, practical essential for everyday drivers. Steering wheel tray. Turn your car into a workspace or dining area in seconds. This steering wheel tray includes cup holders and pen holders for convenience. Perfect for eating, writing, or using a laptop during breaks. Attaches easily and removes without tools or damage. Great for travelers, delivery drivers, and busy professionals. Portable 9.3-inch CarPlay dash cam. Experience next-level connectivity with this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen. Features 4K front and 180p rear dash cams for total visibility. Includes backup camera, Bluetooth, FM, and aux for full integration. Easy dashboard mount setup with sleek modern design. Transform any car into a smart infotainment powerhouse. Leather Care Cream Set. Restore and protect your car's leather with this two-piece cleaning and conditioning set. Gently removes dirt, stains, and wear for a smooth finish. Adds lasting shine and flexibility to seats, dashboards, and trims. Easy to apply with minimal effort for professional results. Keep your interior looking new, soft, and refreshed. Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter. Bring your car back to life in seconds with this 4000A Jump Starter. Supports both gas and diesel engines with a powerful quick charge feature. Compact design fits easily in your glove box or trunk. Includes LED display, flashlight, and safety cables. A lifesaver for road trips and emergencies alike. Apps to Car Tablet Holder. Securely mount your tablet with this ultra-stable car holder. Features a heavy-duty suction cup and adjustable double-ribbed arm. Ideal for navigation, streaming, or work use on the go. Compatible with iPads, Samsung, and all major tablets. Keep your device steady no matter where the road leads. Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter. Enjoy wireless connectivity and premium sound in your car. Features fast charging ports, noise-canceling calls, and LED lighting. Connects seamlessly to any Bluetooth device for music or calls. Built from durable all-metal materials for long life. Transform every drive into a connected experience with ease. Sinotrack HUD Speedometer. Stay informed with this digital heads-up speed display. Projects MPH, compass, and overspeed alerts onto your windshield. Easy plug-and-play setup via USB connection. Compact design suits any vehicle dashboard perfectly. Drive smarter and safer with clear, instant speed visibility. BMK 200-watt power inverter. Stay powered anywhere with this compact 200-watt inverter, converting DC 12 volts to AC 110 volts. Equipped with multiple fast-charging USB ports, including QC 3.0 and Type-C. Ideal for charging laptops, phones, and cameras while driving. Built-in safety features prevent overheating and short circuits. A road trip essential for powering all your tech with ease. Mini Orbital Polisher. Achieve a flawless shine with this variable speed 12-volt mini polisher. Its rechargeable design makes it perfect for at-home or mobile detailing. Delivers smooth, swirl-free results on all vehicle surfaces. Compact yet powerful for both beginners and professionals. Enjoy effortless polishing and restore your car's showroom finish. Tevlafi Steering Wheel Lock. Protect your car with this heavy-duty, adjustable steel steering wheel lock. Its solid design acts as a powerful visual deterrent against theft. Features 3 precision-cut keys for secure locking every time. Fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. A must-have device for peace of mind wherever you park. WeatherTech Floor Liner Kit. Keep your car mat spotless with this professional cleaner and protector duo, designed to remove dirt, salt, and stains without damaging materials. Restores your mat's original color and texture for a fresh look. Easy to use and safe for all WeatherTech liners. Maintain a clean, well-kept car interior year-round. Top Install Bronco Organizer. Maximize your Bronco space with this perfectly fitted center console tray. Organize your essentials neatly for quick and easy access. Crafted from durable ABS plastic that resists scratches and wear. Fits 2025 four-door full-size models for a seamless look. Ideal for drivers who value order and practicality. Joy Tudis Wrangler Mirrors. Experience safer off-road driving with these vibration-free Jeep mirrors. Designed for 2018 to 2023 Wrangler JL/JLU and Gladiator JT models. Offers a wider field of view and easy installation with ball adapters. Built to withstand tough terrain and heavy winds. Perfect for Jeep lovers who crave clarity and style. 4000A Jump Starter plus Air Compressor. Never get stranded with this multifunctional 4000A jump starter. Features a 150 psi air compressor, flashlight, and emergency power bank. Starts all gas and up to 10-liter diesel engines effortlessly. Includes durable jumper cables and a compact EVA carrying case. The perfect emergency companion for every vehicle owner. Car Dent Puller Kit. Easily remove dents from your car with this powerful suction puller set. Includes large and small tools for versatile use on cars, glass, or tiles. Saves money by avoiding costly body shop visits. Ergonomic handles ensure a firm, comfortable grip while repairing. A handy, simple solution to restoring smooth surfaces instantly. Dual Head Car Fan. Beat the heat with this dual 360 degrees rotating USB car fan. 3 adjustable speeds deliver powerful airflow where you need it most. Mounts easily to dashboards or consoles for convenience. Ultra-quiet operation keeps your ride peaceful and fresh. Car Seat Gap Organizer. Keep your car clutter-free with this dual seat gap organizer set. Includes cup holders, phone slots, and hooks for optimal convenience. Fits snugly beside your seat to catch small items and maximize space. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials for long-lasting use. Perfect for drivers who love order and easy access to essentials. Dual Mode OBD2 HUD. Upgrade your dashboard with this dual OBD2 plus GPS heads-up display. Projects speed, RPM, and temperature onto your windshield for safe viewing. Includes overspeed alarms and auto brightness adjustment for any lighting. Compatible with most 2009 plus vehicles for seamless installation. Drive smarter with clear, instant driving data always in sight. Mini Car Vacuum. Keep your vehicle spotless with this 12,000 PA cordless vacuum and air duster combo. Lightweight, portable design reaches every tight corner easily. Includes dual filters for deep cleaning dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Ideal for car interiors, sofas, or office desks. Rechargeable and efficient for quick cleanups anytime, anywhere.